it's okay. It's okay to be having a human experience that's difficult. And really the reason why mental illness or mental struggles occur in the first place is because we're told, oh, no, you're okay, when really we're not. The thoughts are there that we want to run. The thoughts are there that this is someone's fault. The thoughts are there that we're not okay, that we want to scroll social media, and we just watch those thoughts. And we take those thoughts into the body. We breathe with compassion. Your belly rises on the inhalation, falls on the exhalation. A lot of anxiety, a lot of angst can be vastly improved just with breathing correctly. Correct diaphragmatic breathing. The way a baby breathes. As you breathe in, let the belly rise. As you breathe out, let it fall to the spine. Just rest with the breath. Thoughts will come and go. Just watch them, don't follow them. And if you do follow them, compassionately bring your attention back to the breath. So what is meditation? Keep breathing just as I talk. Keep your eyes closed. Step 1. Take your attention away from the external, into the internal. Step 2, bring all of your awareness to the breath. Feel the rise and fall of your belly. Feel the breath flowing in and out of your nose. Step 3. If you go to follow your thoughts, compassionately return to the breath. Step 4. Give whatever sensation or experience is arising in you sound and movement. And the final step is to just be completely present. Loving what is. Whatever you're feeling in any particular moment or on any particular day is okay. Pain and pleasure is always in the flow of life. All of the human experience is okay. And at the end of your meditation, you can ask the question, what do I need? And if there's been a situation where you've been really triggered, maybe there's a conversation that needs to be had. Maybe you don't need something that involves anyone else. Maybe I need to go outside. Maybe I need a nice bath. Maybe I need to snuggle into bed with a book. Or if it's just my meditation morning practice, I just need to get on with my day with gratitude. So something beautiful at the end of a meditation is to feel into what we're grateful for, and great gratitude really supports mental health.